What's up, everybody? I am laying on what was once a couch handed down from generation to generation. But I love my dogs more than I love old furniture, so I turned it into this. A dog bed. I've been a little behind with editing this particular video because it was really hard to find a mattress this exact size. I actually should have built this dog bed to size, to a more common size, but it worked out anyways. Check it out. Alright, Evie, go to bed. Good girl, Evie. Alright, Copper, down. Good, down. There you go, buddy. What's up, everybody? I got a new project coming out. It has to do with this old chair right here. We're gonna see what we can do with that. I'm actually pretty excited. So it does have some kind of older designs on there, which doesn't really fit my style, so it won't quite look right in my house. But what I'm thinking about doing is turning it into a dog bed, actually. A really, really nice dog bed. Springs and everything. But cutting it here and then cutting it there, so I'll have this whole center section. I just need to add a couple of legs in the front, make this the front, make that back there the back, cut all of these pieces of wood out, and just make it a really nice dog bed. Sit. There you go, good sit. All right, Evie, wait. Good wait. Good girl. He doesn't know it yet. A little trick you could do to get into the finer cracks is to get a thin piece of wood. Just wrap this around there and you got sharp corners now of sandpaper. Go to bed. Good, go to bed. Good, go to bed. So here's what was once a fully functional couch. turned into a dog bed with back support, springs, original wood, and everything. They are spoiled. By the way, guys, my aunt gave me this couch right before she chunked it into the garbage can, so it's not like I destroyed a fairly heirloom or anything like that. I'm glad I could at least preserve some of it. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hey, puppies, come on up here. Say goodbye to everybody. See you on the next one. Down. Good girl. Copper, down. Good boy. Evie, bang. Oh, good bang. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy, Copper. Good boy. We'll teach you some tricks later. I'm borrowing it. I'm borrowing it.